Hi, hello, welcome back to Craft Chat here in Craft Habit. I'm Sarah, one of the owners of Craft Habit here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we've got another guest today, which I love having a guest. This is Kelly Phillips. Hello.
Hello, it's good to meet you all.
So Kelly is the creator of the paper bead roller, which is an awesome bead rolling tool that comes in a million different sizes, a million or maybe 6 sizes.
And a million or 6.
You make these here in Raleigh, right?
Yes, I make them out of my studio, my husband and I.
Yeah, and these are used to make paper beads, which come in a huge variety. They don't come in a huge variety. You can make them in a huge variety. You can make huge ones, tiny ones. And Kelly also teaches classes here on how to make these beads, which is great. And we've got one coming up on May 23rd, 2019. So if you're watching this before then, come take a class with us. And if not, look for more classes because I'm sure we'll have Kelly back. But I want to chat with her today about how she got started in this, and then we're going to make some beads, and that'll be that.
Yeah.
All right, so tell me, sorry, I forgot my timer. We'll just pretend my minute has gone by. So this tool, tell me about it. Tell me how you got here.
So I was actually in a very expensive boutique one day, and I saw this gorgeous paper bead necklace, and it was really, really expensive, like, I don't know, $80 or something. And I thought, oh, this is so gorgeous, but I cannot spend that much money on jewelry. So let me just see if I can figure out how to make paper beads. So I went home and I looked up YouTube tutorials, and I started trying to make paper beads. And if you look up a lot of YouTube tutorials, you'll see that you make paper beads using toothpicks and skewers. And if you did it in Girl Scouts, a lot of people will say to me, I did that in Girl Scouts.
Plastic straws. Oh, yeah. Totally did in Girl Scouts.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Plastic straws. And
I think my mom still has some of those
really?
jewelries, yes.
It's a great kid craft, but trust me, the $80 necklace in the boutique that I saw was not done on a paper straw.
Not done on toothpicks.
Yeah, so it wasn't quite working out. And so so I looked around for some kind of tool, and there really wasn't a lot around. And so my husband's like, I think I can help you with that. And so we kind of looked around, we saw it was there, and we came up with this tool. And there's a few like it, and we didn't invent it.
Yeah.
But there's a few like it out there. But ours, I have a little bit of arthritis in my right hand in particular. So we created a kind of a larger handle. We put some grooves in it to help with grip, things like that. And so this became our tool. And it worked really well for me. And then I said, well, maybe other people have this problem too. So we put it out on Amazon, and it started selling immediately. And and it kind of took off from there. And then I started the YouTube channel to teach people how to make paper bead jewelry. And the rest is history.
You have great videos. They're super easy to follow. And we just did an hour-long live stream on Kelly's YouTube channel. And so did those live streams stick around?
Yes, you can
if somebody
catch the
wanted
replay.
To go watch us make some jewelry. So what we did is Kelly was making paper beads, and I was digging from her awesome big bucket of paper beads and creating jewelry out of these. That's what our class is going to be. You're going to learn to make paper beads and then create a jewelry piece. So we did a couple things. I did this tassel necklace. Sorry, I can't get super close. There we go, a little tassel necklace that I added a tassel from our store. Did a little bracelet. We did a pair of earrings. So that was super fun to sit and craft with you and talk about things. So your husband must be crafty too, because he's helped with this.
Yeah, he's got the mind of an engineer, I always say. He can build just about anything. So it's a lot of fun. And the way that you do this, what's really good about this craft is you just take a paper strip, and how the paper strip is cut dictates how the paper bead's going to look. So the thickness of the paper, the shape of the strip, the length of the strip, the width of the strip. And you can do this, this is cardstock, but you can do it with food boxes. You can do it with newspaper, magazine papers. You can use recycled materials for this. So it's really good for the environment.
I just bought you some recycled paper. I'm excited to see turned into beads.
Yes, a gift bag. Once the gift bag out lives its usefulness, we're going to make something cool out of that together. So, and then there's a slot in these. I know you can't see this too well, but there's a little slot in here, and you just roll... there you go. Jaws music. And you just roll the paper on it. And you can see all this on my YouTube channel. And you can come to the class here in Raleigh, and it will make a paper bead. So like these ones, these ones here.
Yeah. So you need a tool.
You need a tool, which is Sarah sells here at
have a whole
Craft
variety
Habit.
of sizes.
And if you want to come into the store and just check it out, I'm sure I can leave a few strips here with you so that people can
a little demo
play
station
with it. Yeah, play with it here in the store, see if you like it, and then you can just purchase your Mintails right here and take them home and get started.
Ooh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I think a demo table. I just had a great idea. We'll do a demo table. That'd be fun.
Perfect.
Yeah, so yes, paper bead rollers are here. So yeah, so you need the tool, you need some Elmer's glue. We also have this stuff that Kelly recommended, which is called diamond glaze, which if you want your beads super duper shiny, you can put a lot of layers
These
of
are hard.
that. These are, this makes them also like not entirely waterproof, but definitely a little more sturdy.
Water resistant is
Water
what
resistant,
I call it. So if you on a hot day here in North Carolina, if you get a little sweaty or something, it's not going to ruin your jewelry.
Won't droop.
Yes, your jewelry can stand it.
Yeah, and we were talking about how the nice thing is you can have a lot of beads on here, but it's not as heavy as when you do other stuff. And they also mix really nicely. Some of the jewelry we made this morning, we incorporated seed beads, other glass beads, so you can mix and match. It's super fun. And it's a great way to like recycle and use stuff in your house.
Yeah, and especially, if you're a paper crafter anyway, like if you're a scrapbooker or you make cards and you have that big stash of paper sitting in your craft room.
Which you do. I know that you do.
Yes, and you want something new to do with it because this is it. Like this is a great way to use up that stash. So, and all you need are the rollers and you can just go. Everything else you've got.
Oh, well, I'm excited about the next class, and thank you for hanging out this morning.
Absolutely, it was a lot of fun. I always love to come into Craft Habit.
Nice.
It's my happy place.
Oh, that's what we want to be. So come see us if you want a new happy place. We're here in Raleigh, North Carolina. You can find more information about us at crafthabitraleigh.com. And when we post this, I'll put the link to Kelly's YouTube channel in the notes. So if you want more of us talking, you can have it. So that's it for today.
Sounds good.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.